Hey guys, Dennis back with a brand new video. So do you ever wonder how much propane you have left in your 20-pound tank? They do sell gauges that you can put on in line with your grill, and those are fairly accurate, but do you want to know exactly how many pounds of LP are in this tank? I'm going to show you how, and all you need is one of these digital hanging scales. So do you see this number right here? And this is stamped on in the same spot on almost every single tank. TW18. That means tare weight 18 pounds. So that means with this tank completely empty, the tank itself alone weighs 18 pounds. So when you have these refilled, they typically will have an offset weight on the scale for 18 pounds already. So the scale in essence is tared for 18 pounds. So 18 pounds is the zero. A full tank should read 20 pounds of LP plus the tare weight of 18 pounds of the tank. All right, so we have our scale tared. So it's zeroed and it's on pounds. So we're gonna put this hook on the tank. We're gonna hold it up and we're gonna hold it. All right, once it beeps, that means that it has the correct measurement. And you'll see we have 32.5 pounds. Now, the tare weight of 18 and 20 pounds of LP, like I said, should be 38 pounds. That means we're only 5.5 pounds short of having a full tank. So this tank is about probably 7/8 full. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, consider subscribing, and consider getting one of these gauges. Not only can you measure how much propane you have in your tank, and yes, you can buy one of the screw-on gauges. I have actually one on my camper, but you can also use this gauge to measure how much fertilizer you're applying per 1,000 square feet in your yard. So if you were interested in finding that out, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.